Now we learn some more options. That's nothing but, for example, I will like to write about us. Okay. And when I'm planning to write about us, I would like to insert a image here. I would like to insert a image. Backspace, insert a image here. How to insert a image? We can go to insert option here. Insert option, picture, and this device. Okay, insert option, picture, this device, select. Okay, once you have been selected, select the image which one you would like to insert. Select that, insert. Once you have been inserted, once you have been inserted an image, again you can format it as you if you have already learned image formatting in a Word, Microsoft Word, then it will be very easy. Same thing here also. You can remove the background, you can change the correction, color change. Okay, you can change the effects. Okay, or you can come back to the reset to original image. Okay, then you can add the frames. Okay, any of the frame you would like to add to your picture, you can add the frames, and you can change the border color and border style also you can change. Okay, you can change the border styles and color, and you can crop the image. You can resize the image like this. You can crop. If you like to resize the image, you can select the corner and drag to resize the image. And once you selected in a format option, many things will be available. Rotating a image, you can rotate. Okay, you can rotate the image, or if you like to change the height and width, you can change that one also. In the sense, we can use a here formatting option to change the image structures. Okay, then it comes to a in insert option. One more thing we can insert, that is the shapes. Shapes are nothing but different types of the shapes. For example, you like to write something in a box. Okay, then you can use this text box. Select somewhere, then start writing. Okay, start writing. We are now. Okay, then you can increase the width. Select and increase the width. Okay, to write inside, edit text, right click, edit text. Okay, right click, edit text, then you say, okay, we are now planning, learning. Okay, like this we can start writing a content within a box. If you like to format this entire box, we have to go to format, and we can change the format. The same tools what we have been discussed in a home tab. When you during this particular slide, whatever we have discussed, same thing will be applicable here in a format. I will not be wasting a time again. Again, you can insert different type of the shapes: square, bracket, stars. Okay, basic shapes, or some of the shapes like offer. If you are giving some offer, you can use this type of the shapes. You can say resize like this. When you are inserting a shape, you can do two way: one by click, or you can say click and drag, so that you can change the structure. Again, right click, edit text, 10% off. Like this we can write within that particular shape. Again, you can change color, everything here by using this particular options. You can change the color, outline, text color, alignment, rotation, everything you can change by using this particular formatting options available here. All the formatting option we already discussed. Okay, you can go back to the video related to formatting and you can check that one. Okay, this is about how to insert a picture and shapes. Okay, one more thing we can insert, that is nothing but a smart arts. Okay, smart arts are nothing but a process, or if you like to insert something like a process, okay, cycle, manufacturing cycle, or a list, or a hierarchy like a manager who is comes under a manager. Okay, like this, if you like to show that one, you can use that particular type of the thing, you what way you like to represent, select that particular structure. Okay, here it is added, here it is added. Now here you can change the text like organization. Okay, under that we have a companies, different companies. Okay, section A, section 1, like this we can add the, like this you can keep adding a text. For example, this section you would like to delete, you can delete the entire section like this. Okay, you can delete like this. Okay, you can add these sections whatever the way you like to add, you can add these sections. Okay, like this you can keep adding these sections. Okay, if you like to tab, if you like to sub branch, you have to use a tab. Okay, enter to add it to sub. Again you like to make it as a sub branch, tab key, you have to enter the tab key. Like this you can keep adding a structure. If you close down this one like this, okay, to get it back, here we have a arrow key, select that arrow key to get it back. Again you can format this one, you can change the color for a different section, different color you can use. Okay, like this you can select the change the color, or you can change the style. Okay, you can change the style, or you can change the right to left, left to right. Okay, you can change the, switch them. Okay, the sections you can switch, or you can change, add the shape. Okay, shape after which one, you can add the shapes also, you can add. Okay, you can delete the shapes, select and delete, select and delete to delete the shapes. Okay, like this you can delete or add the shapes by using a design option. Layout also you can change. Okay, standard, both, left hanging. Okay, both. Now standard, left hanging, one side it will be there. Okay, like this you can change the, move up and down that particular section, to move up and down selected section. Okay, this one section selected, move up or down. Okay, that one also will be possible. Okay, to promote or de-promote, in the sense you would like to make it promoted top. Okay, like this you can promote or demote. Okay, like this you can, entire organization structure you can manage by using this one. Again format option, again same thing, you can change the color everything using a format option. If you like to delete this entire thing, if you like to delete this entire thing, select here and delete option, select, delete, select, delete, to delete the whatever you have been inserted. Okay, we have been learned how to insert a picture, smart arts and shapes.